Capturing current waveforms during motor startup with a Hioki memory HiCorder and clamped current sensors is extremely easy. Watch this video to learn about how to use a memory HiCorders high-speed function for this application. Hioki memory HiCorders feature a trigger function that lets you definitively capture the current waveforms that are generated during the start of a motor. In addition, a diverse array of sensors is available to meet unique measurement conditions. To begin, use the cursor to set the memory HiCorder to the high-speed function in order to make high-speed measurements. Select the time for each division in the time axis. The recording length represents how long waveforms will be recorded into internal memory. Set the range per division based on the output voltage of the current sensor. The scaling function lets you convert and display current values on the voltage axis. Settings are extremely easy. Simply select the clamped sensor model number and range. Now let's set the trigger conditions. First, turn on the trigger function and enter the trigger level using the cursor keys. The trigger will kick in as soon as the input signal crosses this level. Now let's set the pre-trigger. Use the cursor key to move to the pre-trigger field. Select to record 5% before the trigger point. Press the Start key to confirm and wait for the trigger to activate. You can zoom in on the screen for a better view. Slide the A cursor to the peak of the current waveform. This lets you see the current value right on the display. As you can see, capturing current waveforms during motor startup with a Hioki memory HiCorder and clamped current sensors is extremely easy. For more information, please visit www.hioki.com.